Here we will write a program to explain different options with findall function. So first in comment line we will write. First we will see extract number from the text. To work with findall function, first we will import RE module. So import RE and we will define one text. I have 4 pencils and 2 pens. Then we will use findall function to extract the number and store in result. So result equal to RE dot findall. We will use raw text. So R, since we are going to find number, we will use /D and plus comma text. I will write here R. That is, we are going to extract numbers from the text and will print the result. And we execute. It will print 4 and 2, which are the numbers in the text. Then we will see extract words from the text. So I will give you text here. Then I will assign result equal to RE dot findall. Then R, that is raw text. In double quote we will give /W and we will give text and we will print result. I will execute. It will print program and snippet as a word. Then we will extract email address. I will define a text as send your resume at hr@gmail.com or support@rediffmail.com. Then I will set result equal to RE dot findall and here we will give the pattern for the email address. So R/W dot and dash. That is, there will be any character. That is, it may be a special character, it may be a digit or a character. So we will give all options W dot and dash plus @ symbol and again we will give the option /W dot and dash plus and we will give text here and we will print result and I will execute. It will print hr@gmail.com and support@rediffmail.com. That is, it will extract email address from the text, which format is given in findall function. Then we will see extract phone number. I will define the text equal to for any query please contact and I will give the numbers and I will assign result equal to RE dot findall and I will give the format. Since we are going to find digits, so I will give /D plus and I will give the pattern. So first 3 digits are, so I will give 3, then I will give dash, again /D of size 3, dash and again /D of size 4 and we will give text here and I will print the result and I execute. It will print the phone number from the string whose pattern is given in findall. If I give here 1 again and I will remove the next digit. So here first D will be 4 and next D will be 2 and if I execute it will return the result. That is, whatever pattern you are given here, it will extract the text according to it. Then we will extract dates. So I will define a text admission date in between and I will give the date format and I will set result equal to RE dot findall and I will give the pattern. So R/D of width 2, then again dash/D of size 2 and dash/D of size 4 comma text and I will print result. It will extract the date from the text. If I change the format, it will not print anything. For this we have to change the format here as 2. It will extract the date from the text. That is, whatever format you are given here, it will extract the data from the text according to it. Then we will extract the word which starts from capital letter. So I'll set the text equal to Python program by program snippet, and I'll set result equal to re.findall. Then R. First we'll give capital A to Z, then small a to Z, since we are going to find the word which starts from capital letter. So first we'll give capital A to Z and then we'll give small a to Z. Here I'll give two separate groups and we execute. It will print Python program and program snippet. Since by word starts from small letter, it will not display that word from this. Then we'll see extract alphabet only. I'll set the text equal to ABCD WXYZ and I'll set result equal to re.findall. Then here we'll give R, that is raw text, and in square bracket we'll give A to Z in small letter and A to Z in capital letter and plus, and we'll give a text and we'll print result. It will print alphabets from the text, and if you want to display only digits, we'll give here /D, and if we execute, it will display only digits from the text. Then we'll extract the group and return tuple. So we'll define text equal to physics, we'll give 78, comma, chemistry 87, and we'll set result equal to re.findall, then R, that is raw text, and we'll give the format /W plus, then we'll separate as colon /D plus, and we'll give text here and we'll print result. It will print list of tuples. Then we'll see extract words by ignoring case. So text equal to Python program by program snippet, and I'll give result equal to re.findall. R, that is raw text, I'll give the word to find as program for the text, and I'll give ignore case. So re.ignore case, and I'll print result. It will display program with starting from small p and capital P. If I remove this ignore case, it will display only program which starts from small p. So when we give ignore case, it will ignore the case and display the word with matching pattern.